Alright guys, check it out. Going up a really shallow spot right now. I have a feeling that the big bass up here spawning, they're getting ready to start making their beds. We gotta be really quiet, but I know I'm gonna catch a few here, so you guys are in for a treat. Check this out. Come on, here. Oh, little one, little one. What he did now? That's the little one. Thought he was big, but he turned out to be a little one. There we go. There we go. Just a little bass. Not the size I'm after, but tell you what, they are fun to catch. Give them some loving. Yes, I just kissed the fish. Feels better. Come on. Oh, baby. Whoa, yeah. Oh, my God. Oh, this is a big one, baby. Oh, yeah. It's a big man. Oh, oh. Oh, this is a monster. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Come on. Oh! Oh. I tried to lift them up without reaching down and lifting them. Broke the line. Oh. Well, let's try again. Let me get rigged up again. See if we can get another one. Oh, man. That was a big fish.